Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Fluxer account in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and open your browser on your computer. And then you want to type in Fluxer, search for Fluxer, and then you want to click this link, this official link, which is fluxer.app. Then on their website, you want to click on Open in Browser. Then from here, you'll have the option to either log in or log in with a passkey. But today, we're going to have to open a Fluxer account. So let's click register below. Now, once you register, you're going to have to provide your email, create your own password, date of birth, and then agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you hit create an account, Fluxer will then start connecting. So let's wait for a bit. And just like that, you now have an Fluxer account. So all that's left is to verify your email. You can do that by clicking open settings. And then you'll also have the option to enable notifications at the top. And that's it. Now you know how to open a Fluxer account in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!